This is Suzanne in France, property reference number SIF 001792. It's a plot of land of over half an acre on which you'll find a small fishing lake. It's stocked with koi carp, roach, rudd and crayfish. And there is a touring caravan on site right at the end there that will be left. The first thing you come to is double farm gates coming into the plot. And here is the spring. It's a spring-fed lake which comes from here. Surrounding farmland. And then over into the lake. About 1.5 meters deep at the deepest. You can walk all the way around it. You've got a jetty which needs some repair. And an overflow system. There's different views of the lake. It's a weeping willow tree on the little island there that you see in front of you. This is down from where the caravan is. And looking there at about the widest point. And the overflow is in that section. That's the walk that goes back up to the gate. It's in a natural zone, so highly unlikely that you would get planning permission to put any permanent structure. In a nice quiet spot. Land boundary is the little stream on the left-hand side there. It was actually surprisingly dry for all the rain that we've had. Walking back up the length of the lake. That's where the water comes in from the spring. And the spring. If you'd like any more details about the property, please head across to the website suzanneinfrance.com. Thank you.